you still dreaming of making money online? Let's make it real. Check out our free webinar in the description to learn how to create a digital product that brings cash in regularly. Stay for an amazing story. I'd like to tell a story about Emily, a graphic designer who always wanted to earn money online. She tried selling her designs on marketplaces, but the competition was brutal and she barely made $50 a month. Then she had a light bulb moment. Why not create a digital product from her skills? She made a $35 Canva template bundle, promoted it on Pinterest, and automated the sales. And now she's pulling in $4,000 a month, all from her design know-how. You've got those skills too. Let's get real for a minute. Trying to make money online can feel like a maze. You've probably watched hours of tutorials, joined a dozen Facebook groups, or even bought a course that left you more confused. The biggest issue? You don't know how to turn your skills into something that actually sells. That uncertainty and tech fear are keeping you from an income that you deserve. And here's the solution. Create a digital product from your own knowledge and make it a moneymaker. We'll show you how. Number one, find your niche. Maybe you're great with organizing, teaching, or cooking. We'll help you turn that into a product like a course or a printable. Number two, get it out there. Use easy marketing hacks like social media videos or email lists to reach your audience. Sometimes ad spend might be necessary if you don't already have a list. Number three, set it and forget it. Automate your sales so you're earning while you sleep. This is about creating a business that's all yours, with profit margins that'll make your jaw drop, like 80% or more. Are you ready to start? Our free webinar training in the description will walk you through creating a digital product that sells. Don't wait. Check it out now. We're not just another guru team. We've been there where you are, struggling to make money online. We figured out digital products and built a system that works, and now we're sharing it with you. No fluff, just real steps that get real results. We're here to support you. Stop dreaming and start earning. Click the link in the description for our free webinar to learn how to create, sell, and automate your digital products. Hit like, subscribe, and let's make it happen. See you in the next video.